Hi guys, I'm sorry because we can't do live today. That's why I just recorded this video because it is also rainy here in Japan at the moment, and I also can't go to Shibuya right now just to show you how Shibuya celebrates Halloween, because I don't want to take a risk of I don't want to put myself in a risk because of COVID-19, though I am fully vaccinated, so that's sorry about it, but please stay tuned. We're going to go, we'll just have to do a walking tour, maybe a quick walking tour, maybe 30 minutes, and that's it. Let's see if you could hear me because I just couldn't find my headset. There it is. I hope you hear me properly. Right now I just put my right now we are in Minami Koshigaya station, and this is located in Saitama, in Koshigaya city. So from this station I just wanted to walk to the next station. Let's see. Because it is quite dark at the moment. Not dark, but the lights are on, but it's okay, I think. So this is the railway. This railway is going to Tokyo, and I don't know the other side, but that's it. And this one here, this is the where they park your bicycles, a paid parking lot, and we'll just have to be like next to the railway until we get to the next station. Just have to walk all the way to the next station because I wanted you to see what it looks like here. I didn't go live today because I wanted to like respect other Kalinga partners who are live today. The station? Yeah. Do you see the underneath the train tracks? They really make good use of it. The under of it, because they've converted into parking lots. So all the spaces here are quite being used in Japan. So this is what it looks like at around 6:30, I think, or 5. Let me check the time. I'm not quite sure what time is it. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock right now, and then we'll just have to wait because we have to cross the street. This station, this is in the outskirts of Tokyo. So if you take an express train that will from Minami Koshigaya, this will take you to what station is this? Kitasenju, Nishiarai, Kitasenju, something like that. So not very interesting, right? But yeah, this is it. Just have to walk to like the next station, next train station. Not quite interesting, but I just wanted to show you what it's like here. So what's the difference of this railway to other railways? I guess in the Philippines, I'm not really sure. I haven't been to like the side of a railway in the Philippines, but from what I've seen on television, there are parts of Philippine railways that is being occupied by squatters, I think. If I have to say that word, I'm so sorry. It is quiet here, not too much noise. There's a train coming. I'm not going to Shibuya right now because it is raining and there are a lot of people there. So maybe next year. Maybe we can move here. Let's see. Oh, these are old houses here. I think this community has been long established. Can you hear the sound of the raindrops? Let's see how long it will take us to walk from one station to another. So right now my clock is 9:54, so that means it's 9 minutes and 54 seconds already. Let's see what time are we going to reach the next station. I'd walked this before because when last time in summer last year the train stopped, so I had to walk to take my daughter back home. Yeah, because I have to go to work in the afternoon as well. So yeah, that's what I did. I walked before here, but it was in summer. It was too hot. It was really hot. But now it's raining and yeah. We're almost there. We're almost there. Oh yeah, we're almost near the next station. Yay! When we get to that station, we will stop our recording. I think there's like my lens. I think it's wet. Let's just see. Are you sure we're next to we're already near the next station? So you could really see the difference between Tokyo and the outskirts of Tokyo. So I think from here to Asakusa, it will just probably take you 20 minutes on the express train. It's very quiet here, right? Compared to Tokyo, it's very quiet. Yeah, underneath the train tracks of the train tracks, they're like parking their cars. So it's really a parking lot, and it's a paid parking lot, so it generates money.
Get the station?
Yeah, are we near?
No, this is a different station.
Hey, it's okay.
Should we take the station?
Yeah. We will get on here.
Let's get on the train.
Yeah. I just recorded this video because I also wanna share to you the difference between Tokyo and the outskirts of Tokyo. And we're currently in Saitama. And yeah, very quiet, right? Very quiet. And this is still part of Kanto area. This is still part of Kanto area. So when you say Kanto area, I think what's Kanto area? I'm not really sure what it means. If you guys know what Kanto area means, you could just share your idea. Just comment down below. Oh, for now, I think this is